In the age of X-reality, the humans and the government go up against the mutant kind. There is no X-Men, and the remaining mutants are trying their best to survive in this world. But not only the mutants, the heroes who don't even have the X gene, they also become the target of the government, and it includes Spider-Man also. They are calling them post-muti, people with irradiated blood or changed DNA that grants them superhuman abilities. The human coalition is out of control. They lost their sanity when they found Nick Fury's secret warriors. Most of them didn't have the X gene, they just got their powers somehow. They were all kids of superpowered heroes and baddies, and the government is here to wipe out their existence, sterilizing them, and now they are after Spider-Man. So after avoiding the guards, Peter arrives into his apartment. He meets with his wife, Mary Jane, and decides to make her leave. He looked everywhere. There are bioscanners that can pick up any changes in DNA, mutant or not, and he tells MJ he is not coming. MJ then says she will start unpacking, but Peter tells her she has to move. The government is out for blood, hunting down everyone who is danger to them. They have to think about their future and their baby girl. And it seems MJ is pregnant. She tells Peter that they can face this together, but Peter breaks into tears. He tells her he is marked, and if they are together, they will find them soon and their child. If their baby is different because of him, she is too small to detect, so she has to go while they both have the chance. And Peter blames himself for putting his family into this danger, but MJ comforts him by saying that they got here together and they will end up together. And she tells him, face it, Tiger, they both hit the jackpot. They share a case, but suddenly they are detected by the guards. So in their final moment, Peter tells MJ when their child born, tell her everything about her dad. MJ keeps the promise and she quickly runs to protect her unborn child, while Peter engages himself against the government guards. Later, MJ arrives to airport. Her destination is Paris. She then remembers the old times, their first kiss. The scanner shows them clean, and MJ says her final goodbye to Peter. He is captured by the guards, but Peter is happy that he was able to protect his family. He then looks up in the sky, sees the plane, and he smiles. So which part you like the most? Please share them on the comment section down below, and please like this video and do subscribe, as this will motivate me to make more contents. Thank you so much for watching. Everyone stay safe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.